Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Yellow color, light pink color, orange color, red color, gray color, light green color, blue color. A for apple. B for banana. C for cake. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for grass. H for horse. I for Iceland. J for juice. K for key. L for lunch. M for mouse. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for quail. R for rat. S for snake. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for wall. X for X-ray fish. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Light green color, pink color, red color, light pink color, blue color, gray color, orange color, yellow color. First shape, heart. Blue color, heart is blue color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. Pink color. Triangle is pink color. Next shape, circle. Orange color. Circle is orange color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corner. Green color. Square is green color. Next shape, circle. Gray color. Circle is gray color. Next shape, heart. Yellow color. Heart is yellow color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. Red color. Triangle is red color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corner. Pink color. Square is pink color. Heart. Triangle. Circle. Square. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Square. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.